What industry do I think gets away with the most sketchy safety shortcuts? Local home builders. They're contractors, right? Because you contract out, you don't know how they're going to do it. They're just going to, not to say that any of the work is shoddy, but maybe the safety protocols around the work are not always the greatest. So that's probably one of the biggest arguments that construction companies and others do, is they look at everyone as independent contractors and that they have no control over them. And so they say, hey, look, Bob is the guy who does kind of all the scaffolds. It's not my fault the scaffold's messed up, and then you have people falling. And that Bob doesn't have any insurance, doesn't have really even a kind of put together company. It's very shady, it's a very overnight, and there's no insurance, no liability. And the general contractor not only knows, but he gets a deep discount because Bob's not following all this stuff. And lo and behold, when I come around, the general contractor says, I barely know Bob. And so there are things in the law that kind of get that together and to show that not only do they have knowledge of it, they have this understanding that they're kind of working with the workmen and kind of telling them what to do. But more often than not, the law really tries to insulate Bob from the general contractor. And so you've got to have a good attorney when it comes to any, what I would call on-site work cases, because they are very tricky. And I've done quite a few of them.